friends, welcome to FunKnowlogy, learning with fun. So who needs the superheroes when we are having our mommies? Our mothers are always special to us and Mother's Day is also approaching. So what have you planned? You haven't planned anything to give to her? But I am having a brilliant idea. You wanna know? So stay tuned and subscribe, like and share my channel FunKnowlogy. So friends, we are going to learn how to make a Mother's Day gorgeous flower pot card. So let's see what all we need for that. We need a rectangular paper to make the pot. 1, 2, 3 drop shaped cutouts to make the flower. You can use colored ice cream stick for the stem of the flower, glue stick, sketch pen or a marker, scissors and a ribbon you need. So are you all ready? That's great. So let's go to the first step. We'll make the pot first. See the rectangular paper, we will fold it from the center like this. Now it's time to use the scissors and we will cut this paper to make the flower pot. The pot actually, we'll put the flowers later. See, we have cut it like this. Is it looking like a pot? I've already made one and already outlined with the marker and have labeled with Happy Mother's Day message. And I have punched it from the sides also. So what we will do, you can open it like this. And I have written a message inside also. So you can write the message inside for your mom, right? So next step, the pot is ready. The next step, we need to make the flower, right? So we need these drop shaped cutouts. We need 3 drop shaped cutouts for one flower. So what we will do, we will keep one drop shaped cutout like this and the second one will fold it from the center. And the third one also we fold it from the center like this. See, 2 we have folded and 1 is like that only. And we are going to paste these folded ones on the drop shaped cutout. And we will make the flower. See, it's so easy to make. Now we need the glue stick. So put glue on the side and paste the folded cutouts like this. Then the flower is ready. Time to stick the stem. Again I need glue and I'm going to put some glue here and our flower is ready. So inside this pot we are going to paste it like this. We put some glue here inside this card. And the flower pot is ready. See, it's already punched from the side. So I can tie it with a ribbon like this. It's so easy to make, and you know you can take help from your dad for this, so that you can give surprise to your mama. And it's ready. See how easy it is, nah? And I have also made for my mommy. Isn't it beautiful? So this is for my mama. Mama, you are the best. And I have written this message inside. You wanna see? Here it is. And see, I've written, I love you, mama. You are the best. See, that's so easy to make, and you can make your mama so happy. So make this Mother's Day flower pot card for your mama and make your mama feel very happy. So friends, bye bye. Don't forget to press the bell icon.